Hello everyone, today we are going to present our work. I am Lautaro Guiglioni and I am with my classmate, he is Penon.
Hello everyone.
We are electronic engineering students at the Paraná Tecnológica University. We are going to talk about a project focused on the city of Paraná. Optimization and refurbishment of bus stop in Paraná city.
Okay, now to introduce the context of the city of Paraná, we know that Paraná is a large city and is the capital of Entre Ríos. The city has 390,000 inhabitants with 270 neighborhoods and has a large territory with 137 square kilometers and has a total of 22 lines of To talk about the purpose of this presentation, it's important to know that our project addresses the important need to improve public transportation and showing the poor state of the bus stops with a specific focus on bus stops, optimization, and safety control. The work wants to solve the problem because efficient and well-maintained stops are important for a good traveler experience.
Of course, we want to show the poor condition of many bus stops, be aware of insecurity, and give a solution to problem.
Related to organization of the presentation and the project, we are going to introduce you of the map of the presentation to understand how it is related. Throughout the presentation, we are going to show and develop a description of the context to understand how we are going to work. Then we are going to present the problem to be solved with a sense that helps understand and analyze the causes and consequences of the problems as well as show. Then we need to show the strengths and weakness of our proposal, and finally face the solution with our method.
In addition, what is expected to be generated with project?
Important to understand that we have expectation to impact with our project that it's a important factor like achieve a real discussion of these topics, achieve a general awareness about the problems of bus stops and the contamination, the improve in general of Paraná, and above all, achieve true and complete change.
In other words, our vision is clear: to not only improve the safety and control tools, but to transform the public transportation system into environmentally friendly and sustainable model. We anticipate a positive impact on urban life in Paraná.
Well, talking about the description of Paraná, it's important to know that Paraná is a sprawling city with a population heavily dependent of public transportation. Understanding the city's geography and key locations is essential for addressing the challenges faced by commuters. Talking about the transport in Paraná, it's important to know and see how it is organized. With 23 bus lines, including the Vital Line 22, the city's transport network plays a pivotal role. We'll explore the east, south, and north areas, crucial landmarks, and educational institutions like UTN or UNER.
While The public transport is the means to work and work and important factor for urban growth, and finally a basic requirement for a developed city. So now we are going to show the important landmarks throughout the route 22 bus. First, we can see the UTN. UTN is a most important point because where many people travel to center. Next to sorry.
In the route 22 line, there are many important points. Some of these are San Martin Hospital, the UNER, the UTN, that is a university so heavily concentrate of population in all the days. And we can see the important point for the city that represent the San Martin Hospital and following the UNER faculty.
In addition, we can see two important points that the 2 points are outside the road. These points are Primero de Mayo Square and the Parana pedestrian street. This location have a lot of many flow people.
Now we are going to introduce you to the problem statement, the description of the problem, and dive into the heart of the matter. The deficient state of bus stop in Paraná pose significant challenges, impacting user safety, travel time, and overall satisfaction. As we will know, Paraná has a large percentage of people who depend of public transportation to move in the city. We can also appreciate the poor state of the bus stops in the city and precarious condition. The clear example is the lack of seat and covering for storms and wind and all the weather-related problems.
We are going to talk about to problem definition and analysis. As we show in these photos, the problem we pose is that this bus stop have these characteristics: no protection, almost no signal, little security, and not type of comfortable.
Now, into the identification and causes or factors that give rise to the problem and increase the consequences that then we can explain. We have that delving deeper into the causes, we identify vandalism, lack of investment, and inefficient management. Also, lack of civic responsibility, above all, and lack of organization of government bodies.
On the other hand, now we are going to present to the consequence of the war. The consequence including insecurity, weather-related problems, and loss of time, indicate the urgency of intervention. In other words, the important consequences are lack of well-being, robbers, cold stores, and waste of time.
Where we have a problem and we need to act to realize a method to improve the situation and implement a method to generate a real discussion and improve this system in general. Our methodology involves evaluating current stops, analyzing passenger flow, and implementing a sustainable design inspired by global models. These include advanced technology like solar panels and careful planning.
No, we know that the project have a strength and weakness for this reason. We are going to show the strength. Recognizing the strengths of the proposal, priority, user safety, efficient passenger flow, technological integration, and environmental sustainability.
We have the weaknesses of our proposal. We know that the challenges we will face, the project, we understand that the implementation cost, ongoing maintenance requirements, material logistics, and the need for public awareness pose significant obstacles. Okay, finally, to close the presentation, we know that through the implementation of modern, safe, of sustainable bus stops, our project aims to transform Paraná urban environment. We aspire to improve urban connectivity, making public transportation more appealing. This project is a visionary step forwards a better future for the city and its residents.
For your attention, we are not open to any question.
Let's engage in a conversation about the future of public transportation in Paraná. Thank you.